education. The key is to use technology as a tool rather than a means to replace humans. It is also important to note that a lot of current AI programs are written with biases. Why? They learn from pre-existing biased data. I think we sometimes forget how present AI is in our lives. For example, it is used in police recognition systems, in job application screening programs, and in software that analyzes prison inmate behavioral patterns to help the courts decide who deserves bail and who does not. Some schools use a program called Infinite Campus to track students' attendance and grades to predict who is at risk of not graduating. And data shows that it disproportionately targets Black students. So if we're using AI in so many facets of life, we would expect it to be completely bulletproof, right? Well, it isn't. During midterm season, I decided to use ChatGPT to help me sort through my tasks, just to see how well it would work. It told me to start studying for my exams the day they were scheduled to happen. And clearly, that's a horrible strategy, but thankfully I had enough common sense to not follow its advice. This goes to show that AI is not always reliable. Thus, with all the power and resources in the world, I would make sure that AI systems are trained with more diverse data. This way, we can mitigate the risk of AI giving racist results and improve reliability. I would want AI to better reflect society.